Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug.
Hi everyone, welcome to a new video and welcome to my channel, welcome to my journey. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho and welcome to my journey. I really do hope that you stay and enjoy more of my content by joining the family and clicking the subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continued support is highly appreciated. I appreciate every single one of you guys who come onto my videos and you watch, you like, you comment. Thank you so much for your support. In today's video, I am going to be doing a speed clean. I have given myself an hour to basically just maintain clean the house. I've decided to maintain clean maybe like in between the days where I am not deep cleaning or like seriously cleaning, I don't know how to put it, but yeah. Usually what I do is I'll do a deep clean and then I'll wait until the house is like ridiculously untidy or the floors are dirty before I mop again. But now I've decided to do some maintenance in between. So because I have other things to do during the day, I have given myself an hour today. Some chores or some areas of the house I know might need like maybe 2 hours, but today I've given myself an hour just to sweep, vacuum, mop, and dust the house. I'm not going to be cleaning the whole house. The kitchen is clean. I have been trying my best to keep it clean at all times. Washing dishes, even if it's just 2 or 3 dishes, but washing them either way instead of waiting for like a lot of dishes before I wash them. So if you're looking for motivation to clean your space, I hope this gives you the motivation that you need. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Far from the light of the day, I can't go back to you. I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
So a few months back, or maybe a couple of weeks back, I have been seeing a few videos on, I think, TikTok, where, or even on YouTube, where they were saying if you want your house to smell nice and fresh, or maybe according to the fabric softener that you have, you can add a bit of fabric softener into your mopping water and it just leaves your floor having this nice scent to it, which just gives the whole house a nice fragrance or a nice scent. And so I wanted to try it out. Yesterday or the day before, I was refilling my 2 liter fabric softener. So I bought the one that you just add water to it, and then I just left a bit in the packet to try it out and see if it will work. And honestly, I'm not sure if it does work. Maybe because when I was mopping, I had just turned my or flipped my reed sticks on my diffuser, so I wasn't really catching the fabric softener scent. But I think it may be that I think I'll try it before I flip the sticks to see if it does leave a nice aroma and how long does it last. One thing for sure, if I make my DIY room freshener, which is just fabric softener and water, but more fabric soft. The ratio is more fabric softener than the water. I don't have exact amounts. I just eyeball it and then just shake it in a spray, like an empty bottle spray. And then what I'll do is I'll spray it on my couch or on the curtains. That method really works. It will make your room, it will leave your room smelling really good. But the floor one, I'm not so sure. I think I need to try it again and see if it really works.
But it's all because I'm falling, 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 falling,
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing.
I've also decided to take care of laundry as and when I do the laundry, instead of just throwing it on the bed and then it piles up and piles up and piles up. So whenever I have dry laundry or dry clothes, I just fold them and pack them away. That way this bed won't look a mess like it usually does, and hopefully I can keep it up.
The ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, oh.
Hey guys, I am done. I'm done cleaning. I gave myself an hour and I think I went over by like 5 minutes, which is okay. But yeah, I am done. Now I'm quickly gonna go to the grocery store. Looks like it's gonna rain, so I really need to hurry up. I meant to do the groceries last week, but I ended up not buying them, so I'm gonna go today. And then yeah, I'll show you everything that I got when I get back. Not much, just a few things that we need for the rest of the month.
So live your life, live your way.
These are the groceries that I got for the rest of the month, some stock, seasonings, and the one thing that I was really looking forward to is the soya mince. I haven't had this in years, and a few weeks back, I don't know what sparked the conversation, but my husband and I were talking about things that we used to eat when we were still young. And then I told him about the different ways that my mom would make soya mince, like with cabbage, potatoes. And then all of a sudden I was craving soya, soya mince. So I went out to the store, I told him, and in actual fact, now I'm craving it and I want to go buy it and make it for us. So I got those as well, and then some snacks and a few toiletries. Yeah, didn't get much, just enough to get by until month end. If you're still watching, thank you so much for watching to the end. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great week, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.